So, our Insta360 Ace Pro got a busted display. We bought it in January of this year. It's still under warranty, so we returned it to Macys Camera Shop. They told us it would take 1 to 6 months before it will be returned to us. That's a long time to wait. So we decided to buy another camera and we can just sell either one later. I was torn between DJI Action 5 and the Insta360 X4. After a short, careful thought, I finally decided to give the X for a try. 1, because it can take 360 shots, which I am not really a big fan of, to be honest. But 2, it can still take landscape photos and videos. You can even just use the 360 mode all the time and later decide which frame you would choose, 360 portrait or landscape. You can decide later on.
This is a big plus.
We're testing this now on the highest contrast time of the day, and its dynamic range seems very acceptable. We decided to take a short ride to Busay to have our lunch, so we can take a slightly longer route before we get home without the traffic. Enter the TCH Twisties. A lady rider with an Insta360 X4. The vibration in the handlebar is strong, but the shot is very stabilized. We're now up on the mountains. Passing Mountain View. This is Temple of Leah. We took our lunch here in Chicks Boy.
Wow!
Honor. Wala na kagaw na una sa Insta. Dali mo na ka sa action cam. Ha?
After our lunch, we ride back home, and this time via Butman Road. The roads here are quite steep, so extra care is a must here.